Increasing the Cibc credit card limit is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Depending on your credit card issuer, you have a few options for requesting a higher credit limit. Make a request online. Many credit issuers allow card members to request a credit limit increase online through their website or user portal. Sign in to your account and submit a request. In some cases, you may have to update your information, such as your annual income. Call your credit card company. The back of your card has a customer service number you can call and learn if you're eligible for an increased limit. You may have to answer some questions regarding your request and financial situation, but if you meet the requirements, they can put in a request for you. Once submitted, you may receive a decision immediately, or you may have to wait up to 30 days before receiving an answer. Sometimes your credit card issuer may automatically increase your credit limit based on certain factors such as having the card open for a long period of time and making payments on time. If this happens, they may send you communication that your limit has increased, so be sure to monitor for these notifications. With some issuers, this may happen even every 6 or 12 months.